How to make a pencil holder from a can. Prepare some materials below. A can opener, plain paper, glue, water-based paint, a screwdriver, a piece of cloth, and a brush. Now, do the procedures. 1. Choose a can. 2. Wash the can. Use soap and sponge to clean the can. 3. Dry the can with a piece of cloth. 4. Use a can opener to remove the lid from the can. 5. Flatten the edge of the can using the handle of the screwdriver. 6. Cut the paper. 7. Color the paper with water-based paint. 8. Put glue on the can. 9. Wrap the can with the colored paper. That's all. Thank you.